Hi, I'm Jami with the Utah Education Network. Welcome to UEN Nearpod News. On this episode, I want to share a new feature called Live to Student Paced. Just as the name implies, this feature allows teachers to switch from teaching a live lesson to allowing students to work at their own pace on the same lesson. Let's say that you want to get your students started on a lesson, but then you want to allow them to complete the remainder of the lesson on their own. You could do that using Live to Student Paced. Or let's say you wanted to split students into groups for part of the lesson, but didn't want them to work ahead when they were finished with their group work. In Live to Student Paced, you determine which slides you control and which slides students can work at their own pace. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, on the left-hand side is my teacher dashboard, and on the right-hand side is my student dashboard. So as you can see right now, I'm in a live participation lesson and I control the pace of the lesson. Down here in the right-hand corner of the teacher dashboard, you'll see a button that says Student Paced Off. This is where I am going to turn on student paced mode. So when I click on the button, it will show me that I'm on slide 5 of 39. And I really only want the students to work on their own until maybe slide 11 or 12. And then I want to join back with the students for the remainder of the lesson. So I'll select slide 5 to 12 for student paced mode, and then I turn it on. The students are alerted, and I get an alert on my dashboard as well. So now you'll notice on the student dashboard, they have an advancement button, and they can progress through the slides on their own. When they get to slide 12, 11 or 12, I don't remember which one I selected here, then you'll notice their advancement button goes away. So at this point, they can go back, but they can't go any further than slide 12. And at any time, I can turn off student paced mode, but just so you're aware, when I turn off student paced mode, it's going to jump the students back here to the slide that I was already on, which was slide 5. So what I'll want to do is I'll want to go and catch up to where they're at. And you can see right there, it says end of student paced mode. So I'm going to click on this and share it, and then turn off my student paced mode. So now, we're all on slide 12 together. And that's kind of a quick overview of how you can use Live to Student Paced mode. Utah's Nearpod contract includes premium content packages for SEL, college and career exploration, and digital citizenship. Nearpod's College and Career Exploration lesson collection explores college pathways and career clusters to help students make informed decisions about their futures. You'll find lessons on time management, study skills, and resume building, amongst other topics, and virtual tours of college campuses or VR career tours that show students what it's like to be a judge, an architect, or maybe a music producer. Lessons are available for K-12 classrooms, so be sure to check them out. So that's it for this episode of UEN Nearpod News. If you would like Nearpod training for yourself or your staff, please reach out to us at UEN Professional Development. Thanks and have a great day.